Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Off Campus. In this video, we are going to see some important problems in vector calculus under engineering mathematics. Okay, before going into the video, kindly subscribe our channel Off Campus and then click on the red bell icon also. Then only you will receive notification whenever we upload videos. Previous section we have solved almost 20 or 25 problems in this vector calculus. So this is the continuation of our previous video. Previously we have posted many videos under engineering mathematics and engineering other subjects also. If you haven't seen those videos, still kindly check with the playlist. Okay. So in this video we are going to see first question. If A and B are irrotational, then A cross B is. What is given? A and B is irrotational. Then we are going to find out what is A cross B, whether it is solenoidal, irrotational or 1 or 0. So let's see how to solve this problem. A and B irrotational, what does it means? Del cross A is equal to 0 and del cross B also 0. Then A cross B. So in case, what is del dot A cross B? Del dot A cross B is nothing but B dot del cross A. This is a formula minus A dot del cross B, right? So we know that given that A and B are irrotational, which means that del cross A and del cross B equal to 0. So this term and this term going to get cancelled 0. So 0 minus 0 we are getting 0. So del dot A cross B. So then del dot A cross B 0 means what does it means? Divergence of this. Del dot or divergence of A cross B equal to 0 means A cross B is equal to solenoidal. Okay. Option A, solenoidal, is the right option. If A and B are irrotational, then A cross B is solenoidal. Then we'll move on to the next problem. Find the directional derivative of the function phi is equal to xy squared plus yz cube at the point 2, minus 1, 1 in the direction of the normal to the surface given x log z minus y squared plus 4 equal to 0 at the point minus 1, 2, 1. We are going to find out the directional derivative for the given function. What is the formula for directional derivative? D dot D in short. Del phi dot A vector divided by modulus A vector. So what is given? Given is phi. From this we are going to find out the del phi value. Del phi, okay. What is del phi? I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou z plus k into dou by dou z into this, okay. Into phi equal to xy squared plus yz cube. So this is I into dou by dou x of this, what we will get? Y squared I, right? Y squared I plus with respect to y, what we will get for this? 2xy plus z cube into j vector plus dou by dou z, what we will get? 3y z squared, right, into k vector. So this is del phi. Then what is the point given? 2, minus 1, 1. Del phi at this point 2, minus 1, 1. So what is the del phi at the given point? So del phi 2 minus 1, 1 means x, y, z. Substitute x, y, z value here in this equation. So y equal to minus 1 squared, we will get I squared as I vector. Then this substitute x, y, z value. Xy 2 into xy means xy what? minus 2 minus 4, right? Here minus 4 plus z cube is 1 into j vector plus 3y z squared, y is minus 3 into minus 1 into z squared 1, so k vector. So minus 1 minus 4 plus 1 I vector minus, this is minus 3j vector, this is minus 3k vector. So this is del phi at this point. 2 minus 1 comma 1. Then what else we are going to do? One more surface, normal to the surface given. So say it is a psi. Take it as a psi, x log z minus y squared plus 4. Okay, x log z minus y squared. So find out del psi. Del psi is nothing but I dou by dou x plus dou by dou y, the same thing here. So dou by dou x of this, what we will get? Log z into I vector plus dou by dou y minus 2y j vector. Then dou by dou z, what we will get? X into log z 1 by z, x by z into k vector. So then what else given? Point given minus 1 comma 2 comma 1. Just substitute xy in place of that value. So here log 1, z value is 1, so log 1 I vector, here minus 2 into 2, y equal to 2 now, minus 4 into j vector. What is x? Z minus 1 by plus 1, so minus k vector. Log 1 is nothing but 0, log 1 value 0, so minus 4j minus k. So this is del phi at the direction, so take this as a vector. Okay, take this as a vector. We know del phi value, just do del phi is equal to directional derivative formula, del phi dot a divided by modulus a vector. So del phi value I minus 3j minus 3k dot a vector, this minus 4j minus k. So do dot product here, modulus magnitude of a, so 16 plus 1, right? This one. So dot product, no I product j to j, 3 4s are 12 plus 12 plus 3, square root of 17. So what will we get? D dot d directional derivative 12 plus 3 15 by root 17, right? So option 1 15 by root 17 is the right option. Then move on to the next problem. What is given? If v is equal to w cross r, w is a constant vector and r is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. So we need to find out the, what is that? Then w equal to what? We are going to find out. So let's see what we can. So what is given? W is a constant vector. So let w equal to w1i plus w2j plus w3k. Okay, then what is r? R is equal to xi plus yj, this is a standard one, plus zk. So now we are going to find out w cross r. IJK method, IJK, then w term, w1, w2, w3, then x, y, z. So just expand this, what we will get? I into w2z minus w3y minus j into w1z minus w3k plus k into w1y minus w2x. Okay, so this is Now we are going to find out, we need to find out the relation between V and W. Okay, V and W. From the option we can find out. So now we can find out W cross R. Now we are going to find out del cross W cross R. So del cross means normal IJK method. Then for del, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Then here for I term this, j term and k term. Okay, W2z minus W3y, W1z minus W3k, W1y minus W2x. So this is modulus symbol. Okay, in third row. Okay, now we are going to expand this term. So I into dou by dou y of this. When we differentiating dou by dou y, what we will get? So here when we are writing for j, so this is minus W1z, here minus sign is missing, minus W3x. So minus W1z multiply, this is plus 1. So all the signs for before W1 it is plus. Here also minus sign, this is plus sign. So now we can check I into dou by dou y of W1 minus dou by dou z of this minus 1. Already 1 minus, minus into minus plus. Again minus j into this term with respect to x minus W2 minus dou by dou z of this W2, right? Minus W2. This is minus plus, this is minus sign. Then k into W3 plus W3 minus dou by dou y minus already 1 minus, here minus W3 minus into minus plus. So all sides here I missed that minus sign here. So multiply with minus and all sign going to get changed. So W1 plus W1, 2W1 I minus 2W2, here minus sign plus 2W2J plus 2W3K vector. Okay, so del cross W cross R. So here del cross W cross R is equal to 2W1 plus 2W2 plus 2W3. We can write it as 2 in common, W1I, W2J plus W3K, right? So what is W1, W2, W3 is nothing but simply 2W vector. So del cross means curl W cross R. We can say it is a del cross is nothing but curl of this one, curl. Okay, so what is W cross R? W cross R is nothing but V. So 2W. So now what is W? So from this W, so this 2 go to the side as half curl V. Okay, half curl V. So this is the answer for this problem. Half curl V is the right answer. Okay, move on to the next problem. Find the angle between normals to the surface xy equal to z squared at the points given. 2 points is given. We are going to find the normals between the surface, normals to the surface. So say take it is, this is as a phi equal to xy minus z squared. Okay, so now we are going to find out del phi value at this point. Take at is a del phi 1, then del 2 different points we are going to find out del phi 1 and del phi 2, then find out the angle. So first del phi is I into dou by dou x, dou by dou z. I am not going to repeat it. So just do the del phi I into dou by dou x. What we will get? yi. Then dou by dou y, what we will get? X, right? xj. Then dou by dou z, what we will get? Minus 2z k vector. So this is del phi value. So yi plus xj minus 2zk. So now del phi at this point minus 2 comma minus 2 comma 2. So this is x, y, z. Just substitute values x, y, z in this equation. So y equal to minus 2. So minus 2i, x is also minus 2. Minus 2j, z equal to plus 2. So 2 into 2, 4, minus 4k. So this is, take this as a del phi 1. Okay, del phi 1 equal to minus 2i minus 2j minus 4k. Then from this find out del phi 2. Say it is a del phi 1. Then del phi 2 is nothing but we are going to get the same vector. So points only, when we finding out del phi, for this we will get yi plus xj minus 2zk. What is the point? Second point, 1 comma 9 comma minus 3. Right? So x, y is, just substitute x, y value in this equation. Y equal to 9i, x equal to plus simply j, minus into minus plus 6k. So this is del phi 2. This is del phi 1. Next, what we going to find out? Angle. What is the formula? Cos theta is equal to del phi 1 dot del phi 2 is equal to modulus del phi 1 modulus del phi 2. So just substitute del phi 1 is equal to, do the dot product in the numerator. So I will write here minus 2i minus 2j minus 4k dot 9i plus j plus 6k divided by modulus of del phi 1. What we will get? 4 plus 4 plus 16. Here 81 plus 1 plus 36. Right? So do dot product, minus 18 minus 2 minus 24. Okay. Minus 18 minus 2 minus 24. Okay. In denominator, 8 square root of 24, 82, 82 plus 36, 118, 18. By simplifying, we will get cos in minus 18, 12, 20 minus 44 divided by this numerator, square root of 24, square root of 118. By simplifying, we will get minus 1 square root of 117. Okay, by simplification. So this is cos theta. What is theta? Angle. Angle only asking now. Cos inverse of minus 11 by square root of 177 is the answer. Okay, minus, this is minus cos inverse of minus 11 by 177. So 3, option 3 is the right option for this. So this is the procedure to solve this problem. This is cos inverse of minus sign. So option 3 is the right option. Then we'll move on to the next problem. Divergence of r vector divided by r. So divergence of r vector divided by r is nothing but, so del dot r vector divided by r. We are going to find out. Okay. So from this we can find out. So for this, see, what is r vector? Del dot means I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z. Dot r vector is xi plus yj plus zk divided by r. So now we are going to find out dot product, I into I. So dou by dou x of, see, wait 1 second. Dou by dou x of x by r, right? plus dou by dou y of y by r plus dou by dou z of z by r. Okay, first we'll find this is like u by v format. Okay, so do first we will find out dou by dou x of x by r. So what r into v du na, r into 1 minus u dv. dv is nothing but dou r by dou x, right, divided by v squared, r squared. So dou r by dou x already we have solved for from this xi plus r vector is equal to, we have solved dou r by dou x in our previous problem. I will say how it comes quickly. Okay, when we differentiating what is r squared, x squared plus y squared plus z squared, right? When we differentiating 2r dou r by dou x. Wait 1 second, we'll take some other pins. So when we differentiating this equation, what we'll get, 2r dou r equal to 2x dou x. So 2 get cancelled. What is dou r by dou x? From this, dou r by dou x is equal to x by r. So dou r by dou x equal to x by r. Similarly, dou r by dou y equal to y by r. Dou r by dou z equal to z by r. Okay. So here the r minus y into dou r by dou y divided by r squared plus r minus z into dou r by dou z divided by r squared. What is common? Common is 1 by r squared is common. Then r minus dou r by dou x, already I said what is x by r, right? X into x by r. So when we substituting x by r, what will get? X squared by r. So r minus x squared by r plus for this. So we have taken 1 by r squared outside. So don't worry about the denominator term. Just simplify the numerator term. So r minus x squared by r. What is remaining? R minus y squared by r, right? Plus r minus z squared by r. Why? Because dou r by dou z nothing but z by r. Dou r by dou y by r. By doing this, y squared by r, z squared by r simply. Okay, so r plus r, what? 3r. 3r minus x squared by r, y squared by r. So take all this x squared plus y squared plus z squared divided by r, right? The whole bracket outside. Okay, so 1 by r squared minus into 3r minus x squared plus y squared plus z squared is nothing but r squared divided by r. So what we will get, ma? By taking LCM, 3r squared minus r squared divided by r. So here see, in denominator r cube, right? So numerator 3r squared minus r squared, 2r squared divided by r cube. So r squared, r cube, so 2 by r. Obviously 2 by r is the right option. Option 4, 2 by r. Okay, we'll move on to the next problem. So r is given as xi plus yj plus zk, then del cross del r power n. So we'll see how to solve this. This is very simple from the formula. Del cross del r power n. So it is nothing but curl of gradient. This is del cross is curl gradient of some function is equal to what? So from the standard formula, curl of gradient is nothing but 0. Curl of grade of phi or some function is equal to 0 only. From the formula itself we can say the answer is 0 only. So or you can check with the answer. So what is del power, we can check also. Already we have proven one, that what is grade r power n. See, grade r power or del r power n. We have proved this formula, del into r power n is equal to, if you haven't seen those videos, kindly check our previous videos. Okay, n r power n minus 2 into r vector. This is a standard proof we have proven already. Okay, then grade r power n del r power n r power n minus 2 into r vector. Now what we are going to do, del cross del r power n. So this is use ijk method and then expand, we'll see whether we will get 0 or some other. Okay, ijk, then for del r power n, then dou by dou x for grade. What is the second row? Dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z for r power n. So n r power n minus 2 into r vector is nothing but what ma? Xi plus yj plus zk, right? So n r power n minus 2 into x, n r power n minus 2 into y, n r power n minus 2 into z. So this is, now we are going to expand and see. Okay, for one term only we are going to summation I. Okay, for I we can expand. I will write here summation I vector into, because for this dou by dou y of this term, n r power n minus 2 into z minus dou by dou z of this n r power n minus 2 into y, right? Now we are going to expand this. For I term only I am going to expand. From this we can find out. Okay, then summation I vector into, so dou by n r power n minus 2. Okay, n r power n minus 2, x power n, what we will, when we differentiating x power n, what we will get? N x power n minus 1. So already n is there, so n minus 2, n into n minus 2 into r power n minus 1. So we will get r power n minus 3 into dou r by dou y, because it is respect to y, into dou r by dou y. Similarly for this, already n into n minus 2 into r power n minus 3 into, this is r power, into dou r by dou z. Okay, we know what is dou r by dou y. Here also one z is missing na. This is it. Here this y also come. Okay, y and z. Okay, so summation I vector into n into n minus 2 into r power n minus 3 into z into dou r by dou y, y by r. Similarly minus n into n minus 2 into r power n minus 3 into y into dou r by dou z, z by r. So here see, n into n minus 2 r power n minus 3 is at y by r. Here also n into n minus 2 r power n minus 3 is at y by r. So these and these get cancelled, we will get summation I 0. So we will get 0. When we expand for j also, we are getting the same term going to get cancelled. So from the formula, curl of gradient of anything, we will get 0 only. So when by seeing the problem question, we should not get panic. We should know the all formulas. Okay, then we'll find out find the angle between the surfaces given at this point. The same thing, take this is a phi 1 or this is phi 2, use that point. Previously we have shown now the same thing, or you can take this is a phi, this is a psi, whatever we can name. So phi 1 is equal to x squared minus y squared minus z squared equal to 11. So this is phi 1 value. So point is given. So we are going to put the point and going to solve this problem. Okay. Del phi 1 is equal to 2x. Okay. I into dou by dou x, j into dou by dou y, 2x I minus 2yj minus 2zk. So now going to substitute 6, 4, 3 points. X, Y, Z. So what we will get? 6 into 12i minus 8j minus 6k. So this is phi 1 value. Then what is phi 2? xy plus yz minus zx minus 18. So this is phi 2. So find out del phi 2. Del phi 2, so I into dou by dou x of this term. So when we doing this term, which one with respect to x? Y minus z into I. So in simplification, I am not going to write del form and doing by our mental calculation we can do. Okay. Then what is the next one? J into dou by dou y of this term. Dou by dou y, what we will get? X plus z into k vector. Then dou by dou z of this, what we will get? Y minus x into k vector. So this is del phi 2. We can find it out. Del phi 1 12i minus 8j minus 6k. Now del phi 2 y minus z into I plus x plus z into j plus y minus x into k. Then at this point 6, 4, 3, just substitute the values for x and y and z. So y minus z, 4 minus 3, 1, I plus x plus z here, 9j, this is j, 9j, y minus k, y minus x, minus 2, minus 2k. So what is del phi 2? I plus 9j minus 2k. So this is del phi 2. This is del phi 1, del phi 2. Now we will substitute in that formula. What is angle? Angle formula, cos theta is equal to del phi 1 dot del phi 2 divided by modulus del phi 1 into del phi 2. Okay. So what is del phi 1? 12i minus 8j minus 6k dot I del phi 2, 9j minus 2k. So here going to find out modulus value. So 12 squared 144 plus 64 plus 36. Again 1 plus 81 plus 4. So numerator 12 minus 72 plus 12 divided by 100 square root of 244 into 85, 86. Minus 48 divided by square root of 244 into square root of 86. By simplification we will get minus divided by 2 and in square root divided by 2 and 5246. This is cos theta. What is theta? Theta equal to cos inverse of this term, minus 24 divided by 5246. Option 1. is the answer. Okay. We'll move on to the next problem. What is given? Phi value given. Phi value given, we are going to find out grade phi. Grade phi is nothing but del phi. So I into dou by dou x. So in our exam point 4, don't write all this, just do the mind calculation. Okay. Into phi, x squared plus y squared minus z minus 1. So dou by dou x of this term, what we will get ma? 2xi plus 2yj minus k, right? So this is grade phi. Grade phi at the given point 1, 0, 0. So x, y, z, substitute these values. So y and z is 0. So no, this term will get 0 only for. So now going to, so 2 into 1 2i, 2 into 0 no j term, this is simply k term, here no z but simply k term. So 2i minus k vector is grade phi, option 4. Then phi value given, grade phi is the same like above problem. So points are given. So grade phi is equal to I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z into x, y, z. So when we substituting this, what we will get? Y z I plus x z j plus x y k. So this is grade phi. So 1 1 1. So x y z. So y z all are 1 1 1 only. So when substituting I plus j plus k only. So I plus j plus k. This is grade phi at this point. Option 4 is the right option. Then find the constants a and b so that the surfaces given, two surfaces given, may cut orthogonally at 1 comma minus 1 comma 2. So make cut orthogonally means del phi dot del psi equal to 0. This is the point. Let's see how to solve this. So take this equation as phi minus 9x. Okay. Take this as psi, ax squared y plus bz cube minus 4. Okay, 5x squared minus 2yz minus 9x, then ax squared y plus bz cube minus 4. So this is del phi, this is del phi 1. So okay, you can take phi 1 and phi 2 also, or del phi, take this as phi, this is psi, whatever we can take. Okay. So just find out del phi value, I into dou by dou x of this term. Okay, from this what is the answer? Dou by dou x means with respect to x we have two terms. So 10x minus 9 into I. So this term I into dou by dou x of this plus dou by dou y of this term, we will get what value? Minus 2z j plus dou by dou z also only 1 minus 2y, right, into k. Now substitute these point 1 comma minus 1 comma 2. Substitute for x, y, z. So 10 into 1 10, 10 minus 1 1. So simply I, then y value, z value is 2 minus 4j, y value minus 1 plus 2. So del phi at this point is nothing but I minus 4j plus 2k. Take this as equation 1. This is del phi value. Now we are going to find out del psi value. So I into dou by dou x of this term. Dou by dou x means 2axy into I vector. Then dou by dou y means ax squared j vector. Then 3b z squared k vector. Okay. So del phi at the same point 1 comma minus 1 comma 2. X, y, z, substitute these value. 2axy plus ax squared plus 3b z squared. So in place of x and y, 1 into 1 minus 1 minus 2a I plus ax squared means 1 plus aj plus 3b z squared. What is z squared? 4 plus 12b k. So minus 2ai plus aj plus 12bk. So this is del psi. So now we are going to find out the constant a and b. A and b. From this, what is given the clue? Make cut orthogonally at this point. Make cut orthogonally means, what does it means? Del phi dot del psi equal to 0. So just do dot product and then equate to 0, then find out the constant. So what is del phi? I minus, I am just rewriting the del phi value, 4j plus 2k into dot product into minus 2ai plus aj plus 12bk equal to 0. So I into I minus 2a, here minus 4a plus 24b equal to 0. So what we will get? Minus 2 minus 4 minus 6a plus 24b equal to 0. This is multiple of 6, so divided by 6, what we will get? Minus a plus 4 6 are 24 now, minus a plus 4b equal to 0. We have one equation. So from this equation we cannot solve. Okay, we need one more equation, that is nothing but the point is given now. Since this point passes through these surfaces, is a point of intersection of these two surfaces. This point is a point of intersection of these two surfaces, lies on this surface. Okay, so ax squared y, take that one, ax squared y plus bz cube equal to 4. Ax squared y plus bz cube equal to 4. Now substitute that point 1 comma minus 1 comma 2 x y z in this equation. What we will get? Ay plus 8b, right? This is also ay not x y z, means 1 into 1 squared 1, 1 into minus 1, so minus a plus z cube is nothing but 8b, 8b equal to 4. So this is equation 2. We have, to find out these two constant, we have one more equation. For that only we are taking this equation and then substitute x y z points and then find out two equation. By solving we can, from 1 minus 2 we can solve now, subtracting 1 from 2, subtracting 2 from 1. So minus a plus 4b equal to 0. So this is a basic method, plus minus. Okay, this and this cancel, so minus 4b equal to 0, obviously b equal to 0. So b equal to 0 means put in any equation, minus a plus 4b equal to 0, b equal to 0 minus a. Minus a plus 8b equal to 4 now, here. Okay, 4b equal to 4, then what is b? Okay, here minus sign now, we here see, change here also sign, plus minus minus. Previously I have put 0, so 4b minus 4 equal to minus 4b equal to minus 4. What is b? b equal to 1. Then substitute minus a plus 4. Okay, in this equation 4 into b is equal to 1 now, plus 4 equal to 0. So minus a equal to minus 4. So a equal to 4 plus 4. So both are positive sign only. A equal to 4 and b equal to 1. Okay. Then we'll move on to the next problem. Directional derivative of f is defined as. What is directional derivative? Formula. In short, f means, in short, del phi dot, what is the standard formula? Modulus a vector. So here directional derivative of f means del f. Del is nothing but grade f, right? Grade f dot a vector by modulus a vector. So a vector by modulus a vector can be written as a cap. Here given as, so grade f dot n cap, unit normal. Okay, so directional derivative is nothing but grade f dot n cap. So from this formula, okay, grade f dot n cap is nothing but directional derivative of f. Then the maximum rate of increase of f per unit distance. Maximum rate, whenever asking for maximum rate means magnitude of the given function. So modulus del phi. So magnitude of the given phi grade f. So magnitude of given grade f given now. So grade f magnitude. So magnitude of grade f is nothing but maximum rate of increase. Then gradient of a constant. Gradient of a constant we will get 0 only, because so see, del is nothing but I into dou by dou x plus dou by dou y plus dou by dou z, j into this is k into, so del. So gradient of a constant means I take some constant c, del c. So del c is nothing but c, substitute c here. So I into dou by dou x of this c only 0 for constant. Now for each and every term this is 0 only. So gradient of some constant we will get 0 only. Okay. Then find the equation of the tangent plane to the surface given at this point. Okay. We are going to find out the equation of the tangent plane. So how to find out the equation of the tangent plane? What is the formula? So equation of the tangent plane is equal to r minus r vector minus a vector dot del phi. So now what we are going to do is equal to 0. So equation of the tangent plane is nothing but r vector minus a vector dot del phi equal to 0. Then we have two equation of the normal. If in case asking in some other problem, equation of the, what is the equation of the normal plane? R vector minus a vector cross product del phi equal to 0. So equation of tangent plane is nothing but r minus a dot del phi equals 0. Now we are going to do this only. Okay. So r vector we know. What is that r vector? Xi plus yj plus zk. So a vector we are going to find out. So next, what is that? So a vector is nothing but this given point. So I minus j 1 comma 1 comma minus 2. 1 minus 1 comma 2, right? So what is a vector? I minus j plus 2k. Nothing but xyz, xi plus yj plus zk. Just substitute xi plus yj plus zk in this point. What we will get? I minus j plus 2k. So this is r vector, this is a vector. Del phi we are going to find out. Phi value given. From this del phi we are going to find out. Then substitute in this equation and then find out the equation of the tangent plane. So del phi. So del phi value we are going to find out. So del phi I into what is del? Dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z into phi. What is the phi value? 2xz squared minus 3xy minus 4x minus 7. 2xz squared minus 3xy, this one, minus 4x minus 7. So just find out the del phi value by substituting with respect to z squared minus 3y minus 4 into I vector, right? Then plus dou by dou y with respect to this only, so minus 3x into j vector plus dou by dou z of this plus 8xz into k vector. Eight xz or this is 4xz, 4xz into k vector. So del phi, this is del phi. So del phi at the given point 1 comma minus 1 comma 2 x y z, just substitute x y z value. 2z squared means z squared 4, 2 into 4 8 minus 3y plus 3 minus 4, then minus 3x minus 3 only into j plus 4xz. Xz nothing but 2, 8. 8 into k. So 11. 11 minus 4, 7i minus 3j plus 8k. So this is del phi value at the given point. 7i minus 3j plus 8k. Then that equation of the tangent plane we know now. R vector minus A vector into del phi equal to 0. So what is R vector? Xi plus Yj plus Zk. Minus what is A vector? I minus j plus 2k. Dot del phi 7i minus 3j plus 8k equal to 0. So I will use the pencil. Okay, just somewhere. So x minus 1. X minus 1 into I, y plus 1. Y plus 1 into j plus z minus 2, right? Z minus 2 into k. Dot product of this 7i minus 3j plus 8k, okay, equal to 0. So I will use some other paper. There is no sufficient space now, so here I will use and solve. So x minus 1 into 7 plus y plus 1 into minus 3. Y plus 1 into minus 3 plus z minus 2 into 8 equal to 0. So x minus 1, so multiply inside 7x minus 7 minus 3y minus 3 plus 8z minus 16. So 7x, x and y one side. 7x minus 3y plus 8z constant 10 minus 26 equal to. So this is the equation of the tangent plane. So I will see in the options 7x minus 3y plus 8z minus 26, this one, okay. Okay, we'll move on to the next problem. Del of r squared equal to what? We are going to find out. Let's see. What is actually del of modulus r squared equal to what? So what is modulus r squared is nothing but r squared only. So del of r squared is equal to what? So we have already proved what is del of r power n r power n minus 2 into r vector. We have already proved this. Okay. Previously also we have used this term. Okay. So here in place what is n? 2. So 2 r power 2 minus 2 into r vector. So r power 0, 1. So 2 r vector. Anything power 0, 1. So what is remaining? 2 into r vector. That is nothing but del of modulus magnitude of r squared equal to 2r. So just simply use this formula. Option 3. Then the level surfaces of phi of x, y, z equal to x squared plus y squared plus z squared is. So actually what is the level surface? Level surface depends on the used for 3 independent variables x1, x and y and z. So level curves will vary according to the constant. For every constant value the level curve will be varied. So x squared plus y squared plus z squared equal to c squared. This is the answer. Then the contour lines of phi equal to x squared plus y squared. So contour lines is 2-dimensional for every constant that lies between two different constants. So x squared plus y squared is equal to c. Okay, is the answer. Then we'll move on to the next problem. So if phi equal to x square minus y square, then grade phi, simple. So phi value given, we are going to find out the gradient of phi at the given point. So I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z into x squared minus y squared plus z minus 2. Okay. So this is simple. So dou by dou x of this, what we will get? 2x, 2xi. Then dou by dou y of this minus 2yj. Dou by dou z, k vector. 2xi minus 2yj plus k. This is grade phi. So 1 comma minus 1 comma 2 x y z value just substitute. So 2 into 1 2i, then minus into minus plus 2j. So k is simply k only, there is no z term. So 2i plus 2j plus k, option 3. So we can do a mistake in this point. So there is no z term, by mistake we can do it as 2k. This is wrong because see in the options 2i plus 2j plus 2k also given to confuse us. Okay, there is no z term, so it is simply k only. So gradient of phi is equal to option 3. Then find the directional derivative of phi value given and the point is also given along x-axis. So along x-axis we'll see how to find. So directional derivative del phi dot a vector divided by modulus a vector. So first we'll find the del phi, then we'll find the a vector. We'll see del phi. From this del phi find out I into, now I am writing elaborately each and every time in our exam point, do it the mind calculation. Okay, dou by dou z into phi is equal to xy plus yz plus zx. So dou by dou x of this term, what we will get? Y plus z into I. Then dou by dou y of this term, what will get? X plus z into k. Then dou by dou z of this term, y plus x into k. Okay. Now this is del phi at the given point given 1, 2, 3. This is x, y, z. So x, y, z substitute. Y plus z, 2 plus 3, 5y plus x plus z. X plus z, 1 plus 3, 4. This is j only, 4j. Then y plus x, 3k. So this is 5y plus 4j plus 3k. So this is del phi value. So what is given? Directional derivative along x-axis only. So along x-axis only means we can take directional derivative. This is the formula del phi dot a. So del phi given 5i plus 4j plus 3k dot along x-axis means what is that? I vector only divided by modulus I vector. Okay, this is the clue here. I vector divided by mod. So I into I only 5 divided by square root of 1, we will get 1 square 1 only. So 5 by 1. So 5. Directional derivative is nothing but 5. Option 3 is the right option. The vector given. So we need to find out whether it is solenoidal or irrotational. So irrotational, first option we will see del cross. Solenoidal means del cross f, irrotational means so del cross curl of this is equal to 0. So find out del cross f and then check. If it is 0 means then the given vector is irrotational. So I, j, k, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Then yz, zx, xy. So I into, so dou by dou y is nothing but x. Dou by dou z minus x. X minus x into I vector minus j into this. Dou by dou x is y. Dou by dou z is minus y. Plus k into dou by dou x is z. Dou by dou y of yz is nothing but z minus z. So x minus c, we are getting 0. So del cross f equal to 0 means the given vector is irrotational. Okay, option 1 is the right option. Then f is a constant vector, then curl f equal to, f is a constant vector means, what is f? If it is a constant vector, what does it mean? f1x I, f1 is a function of x, then f2 is a, f is a function of x, y, z, where f1 of x plus f2 is a function of y into j, f3 is a function of is x, z into k vector. So curl f means, what is curl f? Just I, j, k method. Use I, j, k, then dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z divided by f1x, f2y, f3z. Okay. So just expand this I vector, expand this. Dou by dou y of this term, there is no y term, we will get 0 only. Then dou by dou z of this, there is no z term, so 0 only. For I, we are getting 0. Then expanding j term, dou by dou x of this, f3z, 0 only. Dou by dou z of this is with respect to x, so 0 only. So j term also getting vanished. Then k term, dou by dou x of this with respect to y, 0 only. Then dou by dou y of this x with respect to 0. So curl f equal to 0. If it is a constant vector, f is a constant vector, curl f is nothing but 0. Then the temperature at a point xyz in space is given by T of xyz given. A mosquito located at one given point decided to fly in such a direction that will get warm as soon as possible. In what direction should it fly? So it is nothing but the directional derivative is asking. So maximum, not directional derivative. In what direction will it should fly? It should fly to get that worm for mosquito. Okay. So maximum direction we need to find out. So what is the formula? Maximum direction that mosquitoes should fly is nothing but del, this is function of t, del t divided by mod del t. Okay. So find out del t and divide magnitude of del t. Very simple. Okay. Maximum, mosquito will fly in the direction of maximum rate of increase. Okay. Then del t, I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z into the given thing x squared plus y squared, this one minus z. So 2xi 2yj minus k. Okay. Then what is the point? 1, 1, 2. Just substitute x, y, z. So 2i plus 2j. So there is no z term. So simply minus k. 2i plus 2j minus k. So this is the del t value. So then what is modulus del t? Magnitude 4 plus 4 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9, 3. So just substitute maximum, mosquito should fly in the maximum direction is nothing but del t divided by modulus del t. So 2i plus 2j minus k divided by 3 is the right option, magnitude. This one, option 1 is the right option. Okay. We'll move on to the next problem. So f vector is given and it is irrotational, then the value of ABC. Irrotational means obviously curl f, del cross f equal to 0. So just find out the del cross f and equate to 0, we can find out the ABC values. Okay, very simple. So del cross f, I terms are variable, so j, this is k. Then dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. What is the term? X plus 2y plus az. Bx minus 3y minus z. K term 4x plus cy plus 2z equate to 0. Okay, just expand this and then equate to 0. We can find out the constant. Okay, x plus 2y plus az, bx minus 3y minus 4x plus 0. Okay, simple. Expand this. I into dou by dou y of this. So c minus dou by dou z of dou by dou z minus 1. So already 1 minus plus. Okay, it's a minute. Then minus j into dou by dou x of this 4. Then minus dou by dou z 4 minus a, right, into j. So already j is written. Then k into dou by dou x means b. Then minus dou by dou y minus 2. So b minus 2 equal to 0. So equate the coefficients. So let it be 0i plus 0j plus 0k. Okay, c plus 1 equal to 0. 4 minus a equal to 0. Then b minus 2 equal to 0. Simple. Then c equal to minus 1, a equal to 4, b equal to 2. So what is that? 4, 2, minus 1. So this 4, 2, minus 1. Okay. Then if the temperature at any point is in space is given by T equal to given, find the direction in which the temperature changes most rapidly with distance from the point given. So this is like that mosquito problem previously we have seen. So maximum direction, maximum rate of temperature, how can we find out? Del T divided by modulus del T. Okay, so just find out, very simple, del T value and then find out magnitude we can find out. So del T from this, what is del T? Y plus z, right? Or shall we write this to our better understanding? I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z into xy plus yz plus zx. So dou by dou x of this term, what we will get? Y plus z into I plus dou by dou y of this term x plus z into j. Then dou by dou z of this term y plus x into k. X, y, z, all this given point 1, 1, 1. So just substitute x, y is all is 1 only. So 2i, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 1, 2i plus 2j plus 2k. So this is a del T. What is magnitude of del T? Square root of 4 plus 4 plus 4, square root of 12, right? 12. So this is magnitude. So maximum temperature changes with the distance from the point given. So del T by modulus del T. So 2i plus 2j plus 2k by square root of 12. So this is multiple of 12. So how can we simplify? So can be written as, so see, numerator take 2 outside, 2i plus 2j plus k. Denominator can be written as 4 cross 3, right? 4 cross 3. What is square root of 4? 2. 2 will be outside. What is remaining in root? 2 root 3. So 2 get cancelled. So I plus j plus k divided by 2 divided by simply root 3. I plus j plus k divided by root 3 is the right answer. Okay. We'll move on to the next problem. If u is a constant vector, then del of u cross r. So u is a constant vector, so we need to find out. So u may be u1i plus u2j plus u3k. Let r equal to xi plus yj plus zk. So first find out u cross r, then we'll find out del of u cross r. So I, j, k, then u1, u2, u3, then x, y, z. Just expand. I into u2z minus u3y minus j into u1z minus u3x plus k into u1y minus u2x. Okay. So this is u2z minus u3. This is u cross r. Next we will find out gradient of this. So del into u cross r. What is this? So what is del? I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z into u cross r. U cross r is nothing but this one. I into this and this. I am not going to repeat it. Just do the cross product, right? So dou by dou x of I into I, dou by dou z, the x of this term. Item, see the item only, dou by dou x, there is no with respect to I, so we will get 0 only. Then j into d, dou by dou y of this term, no with respect to y, so we will get 0. Plus k into dou by dou z of this term, no with respect to z, 0 only. So simply 0. Del of u cross r is equal to 0. If f is a constant vector, then this value is equal to 0. Can you understand, guys? Okay. So what is gonna, if f is a solenoidal, then curl f. So what is given? F is solenoidal means what is that? Del dot f equal to 0. We need to find out curl f. Okay. First we'll find out curl, double curl only. Curl f. Curl f is nothing but del cross f. So we know that one formula A cross B cross C is nothing but, what is that? A dot C into B minus A dot B into C. When scalar vector triple product, A cross B cross C is nothing but, vector triple product is nothing but A dot C into B minus A dot B into C. So here take A, B, C. So A dot C, so del dot F. Del dot F into what? Del dot F into B. B is also del. Minus A dot B, del dot del into C is F vector. So we know that del dot F is given solenoidal. Del dot F equal to 0. Obviously this term will get 0. So del dot del squared minus del squared F. We are taking only curl F only. So curl let it be E vector. Take this as a E vector. Okay. Then we'll find out curl f. So here no space. I will use this paper again to solve this. Okay. So what is the next step, ma? Curl f, right? Curl f. So already we know curl f. We can find it as E vector. Let it be, or say. Okay. Then what we will get? Curl E vector. Okay. So curl f we can find out as E vector. Later we will substitute for E value. So then now find out curl E. The same thing, right? For the curl f, the same thing, del cross E. So scalar triple product, what we will get, my A B C using this formula. So A dot C, so del dot E into B vector del minus, so del dot del into E vector, right? So now substitute E substitute minus del squared f here. Substitute E is equal to minus del squared f na. Already we have find out, right? So substitute here del into minus del squared f into del. Just substitute E equal to minus del squared f into del dot del into E is nothing but minus del squared f. Okay, E value is minus del squared f vector. Use vector symbol. So minus del squared, take minus del squared here outside. What is remaining inside? Del dot f. See, I am just taking minus del squared here, dot product del dot f into del. So del dot del is nothing but del squared into, let it be, minus del squared f. Are you clear, guys? So obviously f is a solenoidal. What is that? Del dot f equal to 0 now. So del dot f equal to 0 means obviously this term will get 0. The first term will get 0. What is the second time? Minus into minus, second term. Minus into minus plus del squared into del squared del power 4 into f. So which is equal to curl f. Curl f del power 4f. So curl f is nothing but 4 curl into f is nothing but del power 4f is the answer. So this is the final problem. I will give this problem to you. You are going to check and solve. So if Fr into R vector is both solenoidal and irrotational, which means a del dot f of R into R vector equal to 0 and del cross f of R into R vector equal to 0, then what is f of R? How can we solve? From this option we can use. Okay, from this option take one by one options and do apply divergence, will get 0. For curl also it will get 0. So for this you can match C by R cube. Only we will get for both the solenoidal and irrotational. So C by R cube, then f of R equal to C by R cube. You can check. Okay, we will wind up the session. Please subscribe our channel Off Campus. We are going to solve more and more problems. So kindly stay tuned our channel. Thanks for watching.